What's going on, my good people? I know it's been a minute. I gotta get hot with these videos. Yes, I still do shoe build videos along with shoe battles and all of that good stuff. Gonna try to get my reaction vid from week 2 of Who Has the Heat coming up week 3. Shout out to everybody who rock with me. Welcome to everyone who's joining the channel. Currently, we on the road to that 4K. So if you can do me a big favor, tell a family member, a friend, go ahead and check me out. If they like what they see, go ahead and consider subbing to the channel. My next big giveaway gonna be sometimes around Christmas, between Christmas and New Year. So it's gonna be no intro, no outro. There's gonna be a plain Jane. I had to wait a little bit because it had been raining a lot. As y'all can see, a little bit of clouds are there. I'm at the mall, Macy's. We call this the Hood Mall for those of you who really want to know. So do me a big favor also, go sub up to my fam, MCFLYKOF. I will put this stuff in the description when I get to the house. PMKICKZ, and we trying to get sis 313 to 1K, so go check her out as well. And also check out the home team, my sisters Pam M and Princess Fame, who are always on the grind and help and supporting the channel. Also the bros who make it all possible with the merch, SNOOCHS Customs and Money Run Clothing. Like I said, I put all the description down below, so y'all can please go check them out. Be greatly appreciated. Mahalo. Now, as you can see, it's just Jordan bought, not a personal pair. Gotta pick something up for the kids. Gotta pick it up for my daughter. See, Air Jordan 1 Mid SE Special Edition, official colorway, black, gem red, white. Suggested retail price, 120 them things. You got your QR code and all that RC stuff. And you got the Foot Locker bag there, as usual. Decent shoe, dope. For those of you like me, you got the stamp right there. You see the nice 23 paper. It's an interesting shoe. Very interesting, clean. I know people don't like these shoes, but we have the Air Jordan Mid Newspaper Air Times. Very dope shoe in my opinion. The new buck is on point. Underneath, you see you got the typical Air Jordan with the Nike with the R trademark, typical Air Jordan 1 underneath. Then you got pretty nice, look at the new buck, real good on the shoe. Got a lot of information. You got Jordan with the jump shot, air take. You got Infinity 108 101 with the Chicago versus the Lakers. I don't really like that, but that's okay. I always got to throw shots at my Lakers, but it's okay. We will ride this year. Kind of got a little bit of tumble rumble right in here. On the tongue, you got the Air with your jump man here. It's kind of little slacking on the stitching, as you can see. Coming around on the side, you can see the stitching is pretty good. Got a little bit of patent leather in here, but pretty good concept though. I mean, not something for everybody, but I like the thought process is definitely unique. You got the Air Jordan right here on the side. I mean, it's the only thing you may get a little bit of lint, but nice cuts on the new buck, stitching on point in the back of the shoe. Coming around on the medial side, you can see it's a little bit lazy right there. I don't know, y'all let me know what y'all take it back for that. Leave a comment suggestion below. But everything else, glossy on the patent leather here. I don't know, you might want to do a lace swap, possibly, to break all this black and white. Maybe go with the red. Inside the shoe, like they're doing all this stuff to make sure your shoe's authentic. You got your QR code as well. And you guys don't know how to use the QR code, go ahead and check out my Jordan 1 Phantom. I do an example of how you do that. Inside the Jordans too, you always have the shoe tree, and you can see it's still factory lace. The shoe tree should have 8.5 to 10 on here, and with your jump man on the shoe. Y'all know me, try to give an unbiased opinion. I'm not a big one fan of Mid. I got someone, but not the greatest, but they okay. So the only little meter for this shoe. I like the concept, comfort, considering all of that stuff. Concept, comfort, Execution, out of 5, I give it about a 4.45. So not bad, 4.45. You guys let me know in the comment suggestion below. Come back, I will get those links, or you can check out the channels. It is up to you. Again, this is the Air Jordan 1 Mid newspaper Air Times. You let me know what you think. Bad execution, poor execution, love it or hate it. So like I said, give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe. Thank you for all the love and support. We on the road to 4K. It's Emoneyshoes, and I'm out. Peace.